Dear mother, I'm writing this letter to inform you that I did not get the job from Uncle Larry. However, Uncle Larry gave me something worthwhile. He gave me 19 chickens, which I think it's enough to start our own chicken farm. He also gave me a place to stay, although it's a bit far from him. Anyway, mother, the 18 chickens have not hatched yet, so I kept all 18 eggs in a very warm area together with the other grown chicken to help these eggs hatch naturally. Mother, please be patient, as I will not be coming home soon. Of course, I have to wait until these chickens hatch. Yours truly, your son. Dear mother, I lay hungry for days. It seems like these eggs will never hatch. The grown chicken is barely alive because of we now seem to have short of food. I lost some patience and cannot take this anymore. And that is why tomorrow I'm going back to Uncle Larry to find out what kind of eggs has he given me. I love you, yours truly, your son, Majinja. Dear mother, it seems like we are back to square one again. We lost all the chickens. I ate the grown chicken and all the eggs were rotten. I went to Uncle Larry as I told you. He explained to me that the chickens were not meant for farming. He explained to me that the grown chicken was to be used for supper and the 18 eggs was for breakfast because I was still seeking for a job and did not have money by that time. It made sense, though, because I wondered why. Why did he put all these eggs inside the ShopRite tray? I guess I will be coming home soon. Oh, by the way, Uncle Larry gave me 3 sheep and a ram again, but I have made rice flakes for it. With my friends, neighbors, and everyone in the farm. I did not want to repeat the very same mistake I did with the chickens. No, mother. I love you, mother. Yours truly, your son, Majinja.
Dear son, don't count the chickens before they hatch. Yours truly, your mother.